Out there for like 3-4 weeks. My mama talked to her. Say, I heard they tried. Hey nephew. Huh? Oh yeah.
It must have been for the stipulation this time.
Yeah, some rough.
Hey Ryan, I see how you dropped it.
I see it.
Trying to get off on the nigga, he was running back, telling on to this motherfucker. That shit pissed me off. I ain't doing no more 21 after the one I signed contract. They was trying to come too, and I didn't want to.
Just motherfuckers shoot for that white man. Then it makes a noise every time. Everybody stop. This rough shit. This rough shit.
Man, you told me to get some too. I'm thinking
I had both of them, and then this if it gets serious. This motherfucker shoot out gas up to 13 feet at 115 miles per hour. All I do is poof. This nigga shoot out gas. Oh, this is through the mall. Yeah, this is through the mall. This is a bad motherfucker called Pepper Blast. Yeah, this is a bad motherfucker. Shooting out at 113 miles per hour. This is not mace. This is superior. This is gas. This is what they shoot. Them niggas had would have been riding in federal prison.
Hey man, I should have got me.
No, I got you. I'm gonna let you take this with you. So I'm gonna let you take this with you.
Y'all better leave one too long. Y'all see why
Man, we
running up on
we don't want to hurt nobody. Yeah. We playing defense. Yeah. We playing defense. We ain't on offense.
Never.
Yeah. We don't want to, especially don't want to hurt our own kind.
Definitely don't want to do. That's what they want us to do. That's the narrative they want to promote, though, man. We ain't going for it, though.
Your nephew say he got the celebrity boxing coming up.
In the real way, you finna see me on 80 Ross fight core. In the real way, I'm finna get jiggy. Me and Michael Ferguson got a big fight. You know, Michael Ferguson, that's too big for power. In a real way, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna put Brodesky on his pockets, though, man. You know what I'm saying? In a real way, you heard it from Aaron the Plumber first, man. Too big from power. Hey, you know what's up, Brodesky. In a real way. I might just drop a diss on one or two, man. You know what I'm saying? I might just diss on you, too.
Yeah, man, the boys up in
You
here.
ain't got no chin.
Yeah, they got some lookers out there, man.
Some good looking, some good cookers, man.
Hey, what that take, Bill? What that take?
He's tall, man. He's
Nah.
Y'all playing wingman. Did y'all playing? I'm playing.
Here you go.
Hey, this is my first time ever starting a Twitch stream.
Oh, yeah. We on Twitch?
Yeah. This is my first time ever.
Yeah. What's up with it, Twitch?
Yeah, I just bought that today.
Yeah. What's up with it? Is there some people on there right now?
Yeah, you got probably about 5.
Yeah. I started out with 5. Yeah, they used to think I was lying. 5 motherfuckers watching me.
Alright, let's get the thumbnail. We get our thumbnails and then we get right into it. Take it.
I gotta see the line right. Oh.
They still.
Where's that camera we just shot at? Would you go that way first, Mary?
Well, if that's the case, the proper instruction motivates power. Put it in my pocket.
I can put that camera back on that somewhere here. We'll go ahead and thumbnail this one.
Yeah, over.
That was my aunt, man. You can understand. You heard what he said.
Yeah, I'm wrong, but they got half his rent. Yeah. trying to pay the bills. I don't know, gotta have it. I ain't one of them kind of uncle. Yeah. And I don't try
I
to
think that's
fuck
like
with
the line
different.
that y'all trying to get in.
This nigga, what is
Yeah, man, niggas be some bullshit on it, man.
So should I leave from one mic? Get that mic to the ladies, and then save microphone with another mic? Yeah. All right, that's what we're gonna do then. And then this one's gonna be.
I know, what's going on? This is crazy. What's going on? Dang.
No, my ladies, I got one question for y'all.
They don't know.
My ladies.
What's your favorite color?
Oh, well, there's no question.
White.
Wait, I have a question. Wait, you come here. I have a question.
Full of air.
Come here. What is my favorite color?
Black. Yeah. Black.
No, actually you're wrong. It's
Black.
Oh, pink.
Nah. Oh, I thought it was black.
I know, and I thought you would get it too.
Okay, so my ladies seem like y'all.
Calling y'all up. Calling y'all up. Me too.
But they try to hide our history from us. You know what I'm saying? We ain't hiding our history, though.
I should have went to
Black is beautiful. Black is beautiful. I believe in Malcolm X more than Martin Luther King.
said, hold I have a dream.
Hold it.
Tell them click that link on the screen.
Yeah, man, click the
Beautiful melanin over here, though. Can we put some
Your uncle
emphasis on this
nephew.
beautiful
Your
melanin,
uncle
though?
nephew. And he wasn't trying to do no fight. They were too pretty to
Why
fight.
is he
So they
trying
kind
to
of
do
fight.
that?
Yeah, because I'm Nate, so what the fuck is
Wait,
wrong?
hold on.
Uh-oh.
Shadow, man.
Hold on, let me get on the issue for that.
Yeah, y'all make sure y'all go check out that 20 versus 1 on that Ryan got the sauce.
Switches to the main boarding lane, group 5 is now welcome to board flight
Say,
3104 to Dallas. Group 5 to the main boarding lane, welcome to board.
hey man, y'all go check it out. Man, it was funny, man. It was funny. Nah, it was funny. Yeah, it was funny, man. So y'all make sure y'all go check out Ryanwitthesauce. And I want to say this here. I learned something. Dallas, get prepared. We finna do us a 20 versus 1. We might bring, yeah. That's what we gonna do. So y'all tune in, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think.